How to use Telegram's liquid glass design on iOS. The Telegram liquid glass design on iOS, introduced in early 2026, features transparent elements, refraction effects, and in some cases a 4-tab navigation bar with a cleaner. Well, how to use it? Ensure your Telegram and both your iOS version is updated to the latest version. To update your iOS version, you want to head into settings. Once you head into settings, you want to head into general, and you'll find the software update to the latest version, and also head into your app store and update your Telegram to the latest version. Then all you gotta do is you want to open up there your Telegram and you'll find the interface right there. If the interface feels sluggish, you can manage the intensity of the transparency and animations. Go to settings, and once you go to settings, what you want to do is you want to head into power saving mode. Now you can also find the appearance mode right here, or you can see the power saving mode right here, so you can change it from here. So it depends on the reason that you're on. Depending on the reason, you'll get the availability of the transparent liquid glass design. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.